Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk through the quick and easy steps to turn off the Reduce Motion setting on the X app. This feature is designed to limit animations and transitions within the app, which can help some people reduce motion effects. But for others, it may make the interface feel less smooth or engaging. If you prefer to see more natural animations while scrolling and navigating, disabling Reduce Motion is the way to go. First, open the X app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Next, look at the top left or top right corner of the screen, depending on your device, and tap on your profile icon. This will open the main menu where you can find your account options. From the menu, scroll down and choose Settings and Privacy. This is where all of X's customization and accessibility tools are located. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, tap on Accessibility, Display, and Language. This section groups together the visual, design, and text settings for the app. In this menu, tap on Accessibility. This is where you'll find features specifically aimed at making the app more comfortable and easier to use for different preferences. Now, look for the Reduce Motion option. If this setting is turned on, animations and certain visual effects will be reduced across the app. To turn it off, simply toggle the switch so that it's no longer active. That's it. Reduce Motion is now turned off, and the app will return to showing its standard animations and transitions. You'll likely notice smoother scrolling and more visual effects when navigating different sections of X. Customizing your accessibility settings allows you to make the app feel more personal and enjoyable to use. Whether you like more movement or less, knowing how to quickly adjust this option means you can change it anytime your preference shifts. If you found this helpful, try exploring other settings within the accessibility menu to further tailor the app to your liking. Small changes can make a big difference in how you interact with X every day.